All this morning here on Sunrise, we're talking about memory loss and all the ways to stay head healthy.
That's right. So Carlos is here with the impact that exercise and diet can have. And Carlos apparently can make a difference.
Well, it can, Ben. And in a few seconds, I'm going to tell you how this chocolate ball can help improve your memory. How's that for an attention grabber? Your heart and your brain have more in common than you think. According to Dr. David Clark at IU Health, believe it or not, managing your cholesterol can help your memory. And if you're watching your diet and exercising to keep your heart right, your head is going to follow.
Everything that we do that we consider a healthy lifestyle may postpone problems like memory loss and Alzheimer's disease. Encouraging people to exercise, whether they're 20 or 50, that has benefits. Almost everything that we know of that reduces risk for stroke also seems to reduce risk for dementia.
Now, your diet is also very important. Dr. Clark told me that substituting fish for other kinds of meat a few times a week can be helpful. Some other so-called superfoods are avocados, walnuts, peanuts, sunflower seeds, strawberries, blueberries, another kind of berries like acai berries, dark leafy vegetables, broccoli, kale, fiber-rich whole grain, also very good. And here's the best news of all, at least for me. Dark chocolate has high concentrations of cacao that can have positive effects on your memory. Just, you got to hit the treadmill afterwards.
Yeah,
so,
that's the thing.
Julia, here you go. This is only for your health.
Oh,
right?
thank you.
Exactly. It's for your health.
Very
Hey,
much.
share that. I need it too. I can't even remember what I had to eat for yesterday.
Wow,
Exactly.
yum. All right.
Kind of the cool thing about this is, Carlos, it's like, so eating better overall is going to help our entire body, but helps with our memory as well.
Exactly. And the thing that the doctor told me yesterday is if you're worried about having a stroke and you're trying to improve your health because of a stroke, you're also going to improve your mental health as well. Strokes and mental health go hand in hand as well.
Okay, now can I eat chocolate balls while I'm on the treadmill? Is that a 2-for-1?
If you dip your strawberries in dark chocolate, you're just going to remember you'll never forget Valentine's Day or anniversaries. It's great.
Very
It's amazing.
good. All right, Chuck, we will split this into thirds. How's